Hello everyone, UN55MU7500F is a curved TV. So we have in this TV, we have just main board and the power board. So that's all the boards we have here. TV came to the shop for no power, it's already plugged in. There is no standby light. Push the power button, nothing happened. Let's bring the multimeter and we check the voltages. So to have the standby light, we're gonna need first voltage is the voltage that board is given. In this case is a 13 volt. So yeah, let's try something else here. So the first check we're gonna do, gonna unplug the main board and we will see the backlight is on. So likely there is nothing wrong with the power board. If we want to be sure, like we can check here. You can see 13 volt. Right here we have 12 volt. Let's plug the main board back and we're going to check the voltage that's needed for the standby light to be on. We need the 12 volt to be here, or 13 volt. We need 5 volt. We need 3.3, 1.8 and 1.2 voltages. So here we have 9 volt. So when we check without the main board, we have 12 volt something. We plug the main board, it's become 9 volt. In this coil here close to USBs, it should be 5 volt. It's over there. Usually this coil here in the Samsung similar board is a 3.3. It's over there. This coil and this coil is a controller and a processor. 1.8. No voltage in this coil. In the EEPROM we have 3.3. So this is the chip that's transferring DC to DC. It's going to take 3.3 or 5 volt and make it to 1.2 volt. So does it has any voltage input? Yes, it has 5 volt coming to the chip, but the output of the chip in this coil is nothing. So there is no power going to that chip, or no power coming out to the chip, from the chip. I'm gonna replace the chip. I do have a lot of this board. I'm gonna switch this chip from another board. Then we check to see if that's gonna fix the problem. So I already replaced this chip. Nothing changed. Still we have no voltages. I did check all the resistors around the chip. Any open, all looks good. There is no short in the output of the chip. So this problem could be two things. Could be the processor, controller, they are bad, or could be the program that the board works with is bad. So when it's become to the software problem or processor problem, I only do the board swap. So I can go to the next TV. Yeah, we start getting a little bit TVs. Have the two waiting. I have another one over there. Need a backlight. So it's about like 3 TVs waiting to be done this week. Alright, let's just swap this board and see if that's gonna fix the problem. Yeah, for the repair shops, like swapping the board is not something that you learn from a lot. But for a regular user, swapping board is a big information because they have the TV with no power and they don't know where to start. Does it screen? Does it the power or main board? So this video may help them fix their TV. Let's plug the TV to the power. We have the light over there. Standby light is on. Push the power button. I see the backlight. And we have the display. So this TV has a bad main board that we couldn't fix. But swapping the board is give back the TV to our working condition. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again. Because we have a new motherboard, this remote it's not connected to the motherboard. So let's reset and reconnect this remote by holding the back button, and I think this is a play button. We hold them together till we see that. Yep, the remote is connected. So let's try the volume. Yeah, the volume works now.